External video adapter. This compact USB to VGA adapter lets you set up a dual or multi-monitor display without having to upgrade your existing system. 1920 by 1200 display. With display resolution up to 1920 by 1200. You don't have to worry about sacrificing quality when you use this USB 2.0 external video graphics card. USB powered. Drawing power from the USB port of your Windows laptop. This USB to VGA adapter doesn't require any additional cords or plugs. Scalable solution. With the ability to connect up to 5 adapters to one source, the external graphics adapter offers flexible setup options for future expansion. The USB VGA multi-monitor external video adapter lets you add a high-resolution 1920 by 1200 external VGA output to your desktop or laptop computer, using an available USB 2.0 port. A cost-effective solution for systems that lack the outputs required for a multi-monitor setup. This high-performance USB to VGA adapter can be used to mirror your primary display and show the same image on both screens, or extend your desktop to double your workspace. Top reviews from the United States. Very nice. Replaced a cheap, make that too cheap, pieces of junk that didn't work. This one works great, great picture quality, and fixed mouse icon issues I had from a prior model. StarTech comes through again. I'd highly recommend this. The resolution works nice, and unlike the other junk I've not had to restart my PC to keep this one working, etc. I did turn my USB sleep timers on my PC completely off, control panel, power settings, though on the old junky ones, so that may be helping on this model.